So welcome back everybody to Texas Decor and More. In this portion of the video, I am deconstructing all of my Halloween decor. I've already taken a lot of it off of my hutch, and I've got to put fall stuff back up. So I still need to take these curtains down. I need to take my bats down. I've already got everything off of my end table here, and I've cleaned it with Windex. I need to deconstruct my wreath that I have here. I need to take all the Halloween stuff off of that. I need to take my tree down. I need to take my Halloween curtains down. And I've already started on deconstructing my entryway table, but I still need to get that out of my lantern, take the bow off, take the wreath off, and I've already taken everything down from here. I had some things up here that I've already taken down, and I need to take that garland down off from outside. Take these two pumpkins and put them in the garage. So that's what this video is all about. It's undecorating Halloween. So it's going to be an undecorate and clean with me. So I had a pumpkin sign standing right there, but I took it down. I need to take this down and this down. So that's what I'm working on today. So I'm just freshening up my kitchen, and then I'm about to take down the Halloween curtains that are in my dining room. Y'all, this has been a task. I tell you, I used to love doing stuff like this, and now I just feel like it's a chore, but it's worth it because it makes your house fun and festive. But I always feel like I struggle doing anything over my head. But keep watching this video because there's much more to come. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it. So I've been working really hard on my porch, taking down Halloween and transforming it back into fall again. So these are the 3 pumpkins right here that I'm about to be putting back in my garage. And as you can see, I've got fall back up. So I have been working hard, y'all. Got my scarecrows back up. I'm going to leave those pumpkins there. And I've got all my little fall pretties out. And these are about to retire back into the garage for another year. And this is my stove. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's disgusting. See that? Pretty disgusting. I made a chicken soup yesterday, homemade chicken soup. And oven and stove is suffering because of it, so we're going to get that cleaned in this video as well.
Coming up again, so the first card here, do research and see 6 word advice. We have to research if you don't do research, whether that's you or someone else to help you with something. Do your best work, and the law of attraction will bring you prosperity. So that may be true if you're looking for career advancement, prosperity.
Okay, so I got the stove cleaned off pretty good. There's just this one little stubborn spot right here that I can't get off, so I'm letting cleaner set on it, but for the most part, the stove is clean. So while I've been cleaning the inside, he's been out here cleaning the outside. This is all the debris that he just got off of our roof from I guess the hurricane that we had. And the wind from the cold front. So all this stuff right here that you see was on top of our roof. I showed a clip of him blowing off the roof. So this is now the mayhem that's left over from that. So this is indeed a cleaning video. It's a lot, y'all. All I lack as far as Halloween decor, taking it down, is I still need to tackle these curtains, which is a dreaded task, and I am dreading it. I'm just going to be honest with y'all. And I still need to take this wreath apart for Halloween. I need to do that, but I'm probably not going to do it in this video. I'm probably going to end up closing this video out because it's going to be a pretty lengthy video. But I have wiped down my couch with soap and water. See the streaks? It's still kind of wet. I've already wiped down my couch. I've wiped down my recliner. And I've already started putting my fall decor back up. So I have been very busy. And this is going to conclude my video. But if you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. and push the bell. That time you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank y'all.